Welcome to our video series on the FalconInfo STARS Datawarehouse. This video will serve as an introduction and cover logging in. Also in this video is general features about the data warehouse, what the data warehouse can do, and how information is stored and shared within the system. The data warehouse at BGSU is designed to help answer questions. To get an answer from the system, you must first know your question. Then, you'll need to determine what piece or pieces of information you will need to answer your question. That information requirement is the basis of all analysis within the system. Let's get started by logging in and learning the basic tool locations. This is the sign-on page for the STARS system. If you do not already have this in a bookmark, you'll need to load the page with the link below. The system takes your standard username and password for sign-in. Once you've signed in, you should see this dashboard. The Recent section along the top contains a list of any recent analyses that you have run or modified. The most popular section will show you your recommended or popular analyses run by other users. Along the left, you have a section to help you build new analyses as well as some help on getting started within the system. These links will take you to useful general documentation, though none of these links will focus on BGSU related information. Along the top right, we have another menu of links. Catalog will take you to a list of all saved items you have created within the system. Favorites will show a drop-down of all analyses you have marked as favorites. If you create a secondary dashboard for specific information, it will be listed here under Dashboards. New allows you to create a new item within the system. And finally, Open allows you to open existing analyses quickly. Once we click Open, we'll see that we have two locations we can open analyses from. My Folder acts as your playground within the system and will allow you to save as many times as you like. This space is intended for you to create and toy around in the system without fear of creating something that does not work properly. If you or any other data warehouse user create a particularly useful analysis or item within the system, it can be submitted to the governance group for review. Testers and developers across campus will then review the analysis and determine how it can be modified to best suit the needs of all of campus. Once signed off on, these new powerful analyses can be shared for anyone using the system within the Shared Folders area. This concludes the topics for this video. Check back for our next installment on creating a basic analysis.